Next is question number 8. Apples cost X cents each and oranges cost X plus 2 cents each. Dylan spends $3.23 on apples and $3.23 on oranges. The total of the number of apples and the number of oranges Dylan buys is 36. Part A. Write an equation in X and show that it simplifies to 18x square minus 287x minus 323 is equal to 0. Number of apples. Equals Dylan spends 3.23 on apples. This is in dollar, and apple cost X cent. So we will convert it into cents. 3.23 multiplied by 100 over X is equal to 323 over X. Number of oranges will be equal to 3.23 times 100 over orange cost is X plus 2 cents. So X plus 2 equals 323 over X plus 2. Now total of the number of apples and number of oranges is 36. Total will be equal to 36 and this will be 323 over X plus 323 over X plus 2 is equal to 36. Taking LCM, X into X plus 2, 323 into X plus 2 plus 323x is equal to 36. This will be 323x plus 323 times 2 is 646 plus 323x is equal to 36 into x square plus 2x. This will be 646x plus 646 is equal to 36x square plus 72x. 36x square plus 72x minus 646x minus 646 is equal to 0. Now 36x square and 72 minus 646 is minus 574. X minus 646 is equal to 0. We can divide this whole equation with 2. This will be 18x square minus 574 divided by 2 is 287 minus this will be 323 is equal to 0. 18x square minus 287x minus 323 equals 0. So hence proved. Part B first is find the two prime factors of 323. 323 divided by 17 is 19. So two prime factors are 17 and 19. Part 2, complete the statement. And statement is 18x square minus 287x minus 323 equals this. We have to make its prime factors. This is 18x square minus This will be 306x plus 19x minus 323. Taking 18x as common, this will be x minus 17. Taking 19 as common, x minus 17. This will be equal to 18x plus 19 into x minus 17. So here it will be 19 and here it is minus 17. Part 3. Solve the equation 18x square minus 287x minus 323 equals 0. From part 2, it will be 18x plus 19 into x minus 17 equals 0. From this, 18x plus 19 equals 0 or x minus 17 equals 0. X equals minus 19 over 18. From this, x is equal to 17. So minus 19 over 18 are 17. Next is part C. Find the largest number of apples Dylan can buy for $2. Number of apples equals $2 and in cents this is 200 cents and apple cost x cent each. So 200 over positive root is 17. 200 over 17 is 11. So largest number of apples Dylan can buy for $2 is 11.